Hello, how you doing? Look, absolutely nothing to it today. Not going to take long, but really delicious. Well, we've got some feta cheese here. So what I do is I'm going to mix all of this stuff into it, roll it into balls and serve it with a salad. So nice block of feta. I've got diced pickles, as you can see, going in. The amount's entirely up to you. Fresh dill. And then I've got black olives. I'm using the Kalamata. Chopped it all up really nice and small. Get some onion in there if you want, or something else that you fancy. Black pepper, a nice quality of olive oil. Not too much, just a bit in there. And then very simply, we're just going to get in there with a glove on and give that a good old mash up. And then after that, roll it into balls and then just serve it. It's really, really simple. I love it with a salad or something like that. Delicious stuff. Anyway, I'll leave you there. Take it easy. Lots of love.